Hello, this is Paul Milligan at IT Show TV. Thank you very much for joining us. We're here at IT 2019. Colin from Xcerity. Welcome, Colin.
Hi, Paul.
Having a look around the stand, it's interesting you guys have a tie-in with Intel now. What benefit does that bring Xcerity, but also to end users of Xcerity?
So we have a whole new range of products that's going to be coming to market that's based on an Intel platform. Now, one of the nice things about that is that we've been developing for a number of years a range of server products and applications around transcoding and origin servers for video delivery across the internet and to mobile devices. So the use of the Intel platform within some more of our core encoding and gateway products is giving us a great opportunity to bring a lot of new functionality which will really enhance the solutions that we deliver to our customers. So really excited about that platform and the flexibility that it's going to give us from a development perspective, but also the value that will then bring in terms of features and functionality and new products that we'll bring to the market over the next couple of years. So quite excited about the announcement and I guess about the beginning of the journey on that platform.
Yeah. I guess this is like you said, it's the start of
a journey. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. And something integrators can often have problems with is tying together different kind of streaming ecosystems. How can Xcerity help in that regard?
I think that's a really interesting challenge that I guess customers have. We work in this IP video world, and as you know, there's lots of different technologies and codecs and bit rates and networks and a whole range of things that happen. Here at the show, in fact, we've announced a relationship with NewTek, with their NDI product. And again, that's just part of the process of helping companies understand how they might bring content from different sources and different types and bring it together. We use our transcode platform for that, so it kind of acts as a technology or a media bridge, allowing us to bring content from one world into another. By that I mean NDI is used in a lot of the broadcast and event production space, so bringing it from that event production and broadcast world into maybe an enterprise IP video space and provide that bridge between the two networks and different environments, because NDI uses very high bit rates and that might not be right for maybe a corporate video distribution requirement. So we're able to deal with that, but it's a real challenge. Lots of people are looking at lots of AV over IP, high bit rates and all that. There's a lot of challenge around transferring content from different locations for different purposes, and we, particularly with our transcode platform, enable a lot of that to happen quite readily and quite easily.
Oh, excellent. Okay. One of the products you can see on the stand is the RTO sign, which is a very clever bit of software that combines digital signage and IPTV. What are the benefits to end users in combining those two?
Yeah, so for us, many of our customers are wanting the combination of the two. So we see the ability to provide a device which can flip between an IP video mode to just playing content to one that's combined it with signage is really an advantage to them. They're not having to have separate sort of signage media players and IP video delivery devices, so they can combine those two elements. So that's quite important. But there are some nuances to it. So take, for example, our announcement here at the show around our work with Sky. So taking content that they have protected with their Brightbox product, that content is protected and encrypted and can only be delivered to a device that's enabled for that. Our IP video device can do that, but it's also a signage platform, so within that signage environment with RTO Sign, you can pull in protected Sky content and use that as part of your signage content, the information available. So that for us is one of the most important areas. By combining the two elements together, we can get the benefit of content security with digital signage.
Fantastic, good. Sounds like there's lots of things happening at Xcerity.
Lots and lots of things, Paul, yes. It's been an exciting couple of years, and this year and next year are going to be fantastic as well, I'm quite sure.
Oh, fantastic. Colin, all the best. Thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks, Paul.